Hi. So we will discuss about Angular directives. Before start this session, please subscribe my channel. If you don't subscribe, let's start. So today our agenda is what are directives? Why we need directives in Angular application? What are the different types of directives available in Angular applications? So first, let's see like what are the Angular directives. I would say these are the elements which are basically used to change the behavior and appearance or layout of DOM. DOM is the document object model elements. In other words, if I say directives are basically used to extend the power of HTML attributes, and basically this one is used to the change the appearance and behavior of DOM elements. We'll see the different types of directives in Angular. There are three types of directives. First one is structural, attribute, and components. Okay, let's see one by one. So first we will see the structural directive. So these are the structural directive: ng4, ngif, and ng-switch. And I would say the structural directive basically are responsible for HTML layout. Okay, they will shape and reshape the HTML view by simply adding or removing the elements from DOM. Okay, let's think of it. You have tables. Okay, like initially table is empty, and then you use the ng4. Using the ng4 basically used to iterate over the list or the array. So once you iterate over the array or list, the shape of the tables will get changed. Okay, and then another one is the ngf. Using the ngf, basically this is used for conditionally to add or remove the elements. So like if condition is true, then the elements will get added, otherwise it will removed. Okay, and the third one is ng-switch. So this one is used to switch normal switch. Okay, and let's discuss about the attribute directives. First one is like this one is also used to the modify in behavior and appearance of DOM elements or the components. So let's talk about the ng style. So ng style attribute directive is basically used to modify the element appearance or behavior. So it's the style basically used to style any elements. So and the ng class, this ng class attribute directive is basically used to change the class attribute of elements, okay, in the DOM. So in the components to which it has been attached. So let's talk about the component directive. Third one, the component is also a type of directive in Angular with its own template, style, and logical which is needed for the view. So component directive is mostly the most widely used directives in Angular applications. So we cannot create an Angular application without components. So the component directive is a class with @component decorator functions. So how to create a component? I already told you, like use the name of components .component.ts. So yeah, in next session we will look for the ng4 structure directive. Okay, we will look one by one in depth of each directives. Yeah, thanks for listening, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, thank you.